Just a month ago, magkasama kami ni Crisanto sa Letran. We were invited for a speech, for a talk. Tapos kami dalawa yung nasa stage. And little did we know, this was about 2 months ago, little did we know,
Foreshadowing.
ng Best Director. Nagkakwentuhan lang kami noon. Maraming salamat po sa MMFF, to the whole committee, MMFF 50. Pang pitong MFFF ko na po to. And this is the first time I was nominated, first time I won. Kaya malaking karangalan para sa akin. Ang trabaho po ng director usually
Congrats,
gets a
Direct
lot
Mike.
of the credit. Pero hindi ko po magagawa yung trabaho ko if not for my incredible staff. Of course, yung design ni Nestor Abrahena, the beautiful cinematography of Shane Sarte,
Yes.
yung buong cast namin, of course, headed by Piolo Pascual, and ang aming lakan na si Bossing.
Correct.
So, maraming salamat to those who believed, Miss Jane, Miss Shena, and of course, Bossing, my co-producer.